65 Gorgeous Ideas for Transforming Wooden Fruit and Vegetable Crates at Home. Many people wouldn't believe that simple wooden crates could be such fantastic helpers or decorations in a house or apartment. And yet, it's so simple. In today's video, we'll show you dozens of ideas that will surely inspire you. Create amazing accessories or shelves in your interior using ordinary wooden crates. What would you say to furniture that fits into any space and can instantly adapt to your family's current needs? Once a box for storing odds and ends, next time a refined coffee table. In winter, it glows with snow-white color, and in spring, it blossoms with pastel shades. That's how easily you can work magic with decorative wooden crates, whose versatility for living we'll show you today. With a bit of skill, you can conjure up almost any piece of furniture from them, even if you don't have the spirit of a carpenter within you.